Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have a Titan Controls EOS Complete Digital Humidity Controller. The part number for this is 702602. This is a environmental tool used to automate humidifiers and dehumidifiers. So this is a dual purpose unit. It's used for indoor gardening, greenhouses, hydroponic grow rooms. So it automates that ideal moisture level that you are trying to control. All right, just wanted to quickly show you what this thing looks like and how it's functioning currently. Below is a on and off switch, the sensor connection. You've got an update USB connection here and some type of like speaker that you can hear whatever this thing is doing. All right. On the side are your output connections for your dehumidifier on this side, on the right side, and then humidifier on the left side. Then you've got your status information here and then your control. So let's go ahead and turn this on. There you go. And so to make a quick adjustments on these, it's really simple. If you want to make a low adjustment, just hit the button and then turn the knob and then hit it again to set. Same thing here. And set. Do the same thing for the nighttime mode. Obviously this is day humidity, night humidity. You do the same thing. There you go. And then again here, same way. All right. So when you have this connected, your sensor, it has a photo cell to figure out whether it's nighttime or daytime. Then you also have a status blinking light. This is obviously the sensor for humidity, so it senses what's going on in the room. So you definitely want to avoid putting this close to anything that's making moisture. All right, but when you when it senses nighttime, let's just cover the photo cell. The light for humidity will turn on, or the readout will turn on. So when it senses light again, there you go. Provides you that information again back to daytime. All right, it also shows information here, any errors that would occur. And then if you want to find out what or recall what the temperatures are that you've set, you just simply hit both buttons at the same time. And there you go. Same here. All right. Anyway, really just wanted to quickly show you what this thing looks like. Oh, by the way, there's also a low temperature protection on and off switch right on the front panel. All right, you can obviously hang this if you want to with these tabs on the top and bottom. All right, anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. Please make a comment if you know more about this stuff and provide more information on it. All right, hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video.